Hi there, today we're diving into a hot topic that's buzzing around the environmental community, electric cars. You might think they're the perfect solution for reducing our carbon footprint, but let's take a closer look at their full life cycle. Are they really as green as we hope? But let's start with the production phase. Manufacturing an electric vehicle, or EV, is not as straightforward as you might think. The creation of lithium-ion batteries, essential for EVs, involves mining materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Mining operations are usually energy-intensive, often relying on fossil fuels, and can lead to significant environmental degradation. But it doesn't stop there. These materials are often mined in regions with poor environmental and labor regulations, raising ethical concerns. Once mined, the materials need to be refined and transported, further increasing the carbon footprint before the battery even reaches the factory. Now, let's talk about the assembly. Manufacturing an EV requires a lot of energy. While some factories use renewable energy, many still rely on fossil fuels. Studies suggest that producing an EV can generate 50% more emissions compared to a conventional car. That's a big initial carbon footprint. However, the story doesn't end there. Let's move to the usage phase. Here's where EVs start to shine. Once on the road, electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions. No more carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, or particulate matter pouring into the atmosphere. This is a substantial benefit, especially in urban areas where air quality is a major concern. But there's a catch. The source of the electricity powering these vehicles is crucial. If an EV is charged using electricity from coal-fired power plants, the environmental benefits diminish significantly. However, if it's charged using renewable energy sources like wind or solar, the emission reductions can be dramatic. So it's not just about the car itself, but also the infrastructure supporting it. Investing in cleaner, renewable energy sources is essential to maximize the green potential of EVs. Finally, let's consider the end-of-life phase. What happens to these batteries once they're no longer usable? Recycling is a complex and energy-intensive process, but it's improving. Advances in battery recycling technology are helping to reduce the environmental impact, but we're not quite there yet. In conclusion, are electric cars really green? The answer isn't black and white. While they offer significant benefits in reducing tailpipe emissions and improving air quality, their full life cycle reveals a more complex picture. The key to making EVs truly green lies in cleaner production methods, ethical sourcing of materials, and most importantly, a transition to renewable energy for charging. So next time you see an electric car zooming past, remember it's not just about what's under the hood, but also about the bigger picture. Thanks for watching and stay curious.